What if I told you this isn't just a Bentley? This is a Bentley rewritten by Mansory, wrapped in forged carbon, louder than ever, and built to turn heads in seconds. This is the 2026 Bentley Bentayga Mansory, and trust me, it's not what you expect. Introduction: Bentley is known for elegance, quiet luxury, timeless design. But Mansory, they don't follow rules, they break them. So when these two worlds collide, you don't get a normal SUV, you get something bold, aggressive, almost shocking. Today, we're diving deep into the Bentley Bentayga Mansory 2026 with a special focus on its forged carbon identity. Car overview: the Bentayga has always been Bentley's answer to luxury SUVs. Smooth, powerful, and ultra-comfortable. But Mansory takes that base and transforms it into a statement piece. This is not just for driving, this is for riving. Designed for people who want attention without asking for it, the 2026 Mansory Bentayga focuses heavily on forged carbon elements, lighter, stronger, and visually dramatic. It's a luxury SUV with the soul of a supercar and the attitude of something far more rebellious. Engine and performance. Now let's talk power. Because this thing doesn't just look aggressive, it moves like it's a dot under the hood. You get a heavily tuned 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. Mansory pushes it to around 700 horsepower. Yes, over 700 HP in a luxury SUV. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, around 3.5 seconds. That's supercar territory. Top speed, close to 310 kilometers per hour. And the sound, deep, raw, and commanding. Not your typical quiet Bentley anymore. Fuel efficiency? Let's be honest, you're not buying this for mileage, but expect around 6 to 8 kilometers per hour, depending on how hard you push it, and trust me, you will push it. Exterior design: this is where things get serious. The first thing you notice: forged carbon everywhere. Front splitter, hood accents, side skirts, rear diffuser, even mirror caps. It's not subtle, and it's not supposed to be. The front grille is larger, darker, and more aggressive. LED headlights look sharper, almost like they're staring at you. Massive alloy wheels, usually 23 inches, fill the arches perfectly. And the stance: wide, low, dominating dot at the rear. Quad exhausts, loud design, loud presence, and a roof spoiler that adds that final touch of sportiness. This is not elegance anymore. This is luxury with attitude. Interior features: now step inside, and everything changes. The doors close with that solid Bentley feel, but what greets you inside is pure art. The seats are wrapped in premium leather mixed with Alcantara and carbon fiber inserts. Soft yet firm, sporty yet incredibly comfortable. You get fully electric adjustment, memory settings, heating, ventilation, and even massage functions. Long drives feel effortless, short drives feel special. The dashboard is a masterpiece. Handcrafted materials, perfect stitching, and yes, forged carbon details integrated beautifully. It feels modern but still very Bentley. In the center, a high-resolution touchscreen, round 10.9 inches, fast, responsive, smooth animations. The interface is clean, not confusing. Everything is exactly where you expect it to be. And the sound system: this is where things get emotional. A Naim premium audio system with around 20 speakers. The bass hits deep, but stays clean. Highs are crystal clear. It feels like a private concert inside your car. The digital instrument cluster is sharp and customizable. You can switch views, performance stats, navigation, everything in front of you. The steering wheel feels thick, sporty, wrapped in leather and carbon accents. Controls are easy to reach. Every button feels premium, no cheap clicks. Here, ambient lighting flows across the cabin, soft, customizable colors. At night, it feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. Climate control: perfect, dual zone or even 4-zone setup. Rear passengers get their own controls. Airflow is strong, silent, and evenly distributed. Connectivity is seamless. Bluetooth connects instantly. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto work wirelessly. Multiple USB ports, fast charging, and yes, a wireless charging pad for your phone. Space generous, front seats feel open. Rear seats offer excellent legroom and headroom. Even tall passengers will feel relaxed. Boot space is practical too, enough for luggage, shopping, or weekend trips. But more than specs, it's the feeling. Everything you touch feels expensive. Everything you see feels intentional. This is not just an interior, it's an experience. Safety features. Safety hasn't been compromised, not even close. Multiple airbags all around. Advanced braking system with massive discs, ABS, traction control, stability. Systems all working silently in the background. And then the smart tech, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera, parking sensors everywhere. This car is fast, but it's also watching everything around you. Price and variance. Now, the big question, price. A standard Bentayga is already expensive, but Mansory, that's a different league. Expect prices starting from around $350,000 and going well beyond $500,000 depending on customization, and that's the key, customization. Each Mansory Bentayga can be unique. Colors, materials, finishes, almost everything can be tailored. Pros and cons. Let's be real for a moment. The pros: unmatched road presence, incredible performance, ultra-luxurious interior, and exclusivity. You won't see many of these on the road. The cons: very expensive. Design might be too bold for some people. Fuel economy is not great. And maintenance will not be cheap. This is not a practical car. This is an emotional purchase. Final verdict. So should you buy the Bentley Bentayga Mansory 2026? If you want quiet luxury, maybe not. If you prefer subtle elegance, probably not. But if you want something bold, unique, unforgettable, something that mixes luxury with aggression, something that feels like a statement every time you drive, then yes, this might be perfect for you. Because this car doesn't just take you from one place to another, it makes sure everyone notices when you arrive.